Time is, without a doubt, the most valuable asset we possess. It's that treasure we often overlook, thinking it will always be there. But the truth is, once it's gone, there's no getting it back. So, why not make the most of it? Instead of waiting for that perfect moment to take action, why not create it yourself? Life is unpredictable, and sometimes the best opportunities come when you take the plunge. I remember a time when I stepped out of my comfort zone and ended up discovering a passion I never knew I had. Each second that ticks by is a new chance for change and growth. Think about it. How many opportunities have you let slip away simply because you were waiting for the right moment? Invest your time wisely, focus on what truly matters, prioritize your goals, and manage your tasks effectively. This kind of approach can lead you to achieve much more. Remember, each day is another stepping stone toward your dreams. Embrace the journey, stay persistent, and watch how every moment can transform your life.